Where are they now? Ndilo swali ambalo tunauliza katika kipindi chetu cha siku ya leo. Na leo tunamwangazia kati ya wasichana chipukizi waliowahi igiza katika kipindi kilichowahi teka vijana wengi nchini Kenya, na kipindi kilitambulikana kama Machachari, kilichokuwa kikichezwa na kucheza katika runinga ya Citizen TV. Jina lake alitambulikana nalo kwenye runinga enzi hizo ni Stella wa Machachari, ila jina lake kamili akitambulikana kama Natasha Gige. Je, yupo wapi Stella na kwa sasa anafanya nini? Leo tunazamia katika stori yake. Kanagi uriana rudio miru itoro wage kuyuri Stella wa Machachari hathire ku. Mtaniruhusu ni bandili ndimi ndipo ni kuchanganulie kuhusiana na Natasha Gige na mahala ambapo yupo kwa sasa katika karia yake ya uigizaji. Maana ni vijana wengi tuliwapenda wakati ule wakiigiza katika kipindi kile cha Machachari, ila kwa sasa wamepotea kwenye gemo sana. Wale ambao tunawaona kila kukicha wakiigiza ni ikiwemo Baha, yupo pale kwenye mtandao wa kijamii. Tunamuona Govi anacheza katika vipindi tofauti hapa nchini Kenya. Tumemuona Joy akirejea, na pia tumemuona nani mwingine, Kabugi, nani Real Bogi aliyekuwa pia akicheza pale kwenye kipindi cha Machachari. Na leo tunamwangazia Natasha Gige, popularly known as Stella, thanks to the role she played in Machachari TV series as an actress and a model. Although little has been heard about her acting career since the curtains fell off on the show, she is still one of the most celebrated child actors in the Kenya acting industry. Here is a story as told by us. In a series of posts, Stella revealed that her mother was a victim of GBV. The beating mented on her mother affected her much. She recounted an incident where she woke up to her father shouting at her mother. When she went to investigate, she found things were not right with her parents. But that is aside from acting, that is about her personal life. Now let's get to Machachari. Gigi, who has a certificate in multimedia from Africa Digital Media Institute, first appeared as a cast in Machachari in 2010. Just like her friends, they lived in the ghetto and often got into trouble. Her mom was also mostly influenced her career. She went on to work on the Citizen TV program for 10 years before it stopped airing. In a past interview with Pulse, she said it hurt her when the character Govi and Baha left. They had done the show together for such a long time that it did not feel the same. She was forced to interact more with the adults rather than her peers, and she was mad at them for leaving. The decision by Citizen TV to head the TV series was abrupt, but she understood they had their reasons. She revealed acting was not something she was fully focused on doing. Instead, she wanted to venture into business and real estate. Now, in 2022, she was featured on the show Crime and Justice. Big-time actors like Sarah Hassan and Makbul Mohammed were among the cast. Now, in the past, the blog alleged that Stella had become a mambo ambayo sometimes I hate mentioning. She refuted the claim, saying just because she was not appearing on screens did not mean that she had become what people purported she had become. She said blogs need to be careful while sharing information. And now we are talking about a recent post on social media. She recently shared a topless photo while addressing breast cancer awareness information. She emphasized on the need for people to do a self-assessment test. Being a Cancer Awareness Month, she wants people to be aware of the devastation of cancer. The ex-Machachari actress's first-hand experience after losing 2 loved ones to cancer. The influencer said the pain and mental hold was unbearable. And I shall quote her, being a Cancer Awareness Month, I want you to take some time to appreciate the memories you have shared with your loved ones. See them for the warriors they are and appreciate them for going through such difficult and painful journeys, she wrote. Now, leo hapa ndani ya FM show ndio tunaanzisha kipindi chetu cha MATHIRE ama Where Are They Now. Mostly we shall be venturing into our actors, our musicians, and today we have started off with the story of Natasha Gigi, and she's somebody we love, she's somebody we respect, and this video is not meant to harm or inflict any pain, but to remember people who were doing great in the acting scene, and also they are doing great even if right now they are behind the cameras, and Natasha Gigi is one of them. So those that have been asking where she is right now modeling, she is doing businesses. As she stated earlier in an interview, she is also venturing into real estate. Yeah, ni kazi ambazo zina pesa sana. Unajua wakati mwingine acting hapa nchini Kenya na entertainment hapa nchini Kenya haiwapi actors na actresses pesa ambazo watu wengi wanadhaminia kwamba wanazo. So these people venture into businesses and mostly they disappear from the limelight, but behind the cameras they are making big moves. So we shall be featuring a lot of them. Nakwambia tu pata kusubscribe, utakuwa unapata uhondo na information every time. See you in the next one. Hii ni F